Welcome back to Fast Life. I've been gone a minute. I am back putting ARP flywheel bolts from the Evo 4G63, here's the part number, onto my 4G69 04 Lancer Ralliart. Let's get started and kick into gear. Here we are, guys. We're at the flywheel. I'm finally doing a while since I've been under here. Not sure if you can see it. It's like a broken lip over here. I'll have to check that out. I want to change the wheel bearings anyways. A little repair job I did. Look at that. I did great. We are checking each bolt. This one was actually loose, believe it or not. It's spinning. Of course. Nice. That was the loose one. All right. There's my luck. It is dead. Okay, someone needed to be charged. Okay guys, took a long enough wrench to the flywheel bolt sticking out right here. And I got for the clutch plate, the bolts for the clutch plate. Took a long enough wrench and attached it, put back in a transmission bolt that goes into the block. And I screwed that in, and I had it tied together like that so the flywheel wouldn't spin, and I took off each of the bolts. So now it's been what, like a year since I took this off, so it's definitely been on there for a little bit. That little clutch pilot bearing thing came out with it. Oh, look at that, forgot about that thing. So it's upgraded, OEM Plus here, Cometic rear crank seal. As you can see, it needs to clean up. There's the Cometic rear crank seal right here. Just got to clean this all up, make it look nice here, and that new piece for the flywheel looks so nice. I'm gonna leave that sticker on there just because I can. And yeah, I should replace the paper gasket behind this, but I am not going to. I feel like it self-sealed itself with all the gunk, but I don't know. Got it all cleaned up in here, making it look all nice. Tried my best to get as much of that grease as possible. A lot of it's just stained or scratched up. Lined up with the holes. Use the ARP fastener assembly lube Loctite they gave me. The OEM bolts, so you got that much shorter, but this is the part number. So far, easy installation, everything's going well, bolts are going in smoothly. Don't forget to finagle the flywheel, as you'll see me do here in a second. I can't wait because it's also my first time going to be using my torque wrench I bought, so let's get it. Then we can torque it with my little torque wrench I got. Fancy me, I know. 60 bucks. I almost saved over a little over 100 or about $100 or so. Hand tight. Yeah, some of these just don't want to hand tight, like two of them. That's alright, that's alright. I'm gonna just get them with the ratchet. Okay, well, I turned the flywheel a little bit. Now that one goes in easy. And now that one goes in easy. The two I was having problems with went in like nothing now. Look at that. You just gotta finagle and play with stuff sometimes. Yeah. Guys, fully torqued that to spec. Here's those new ARP Pro flywheel bolts. I'm gonna make a note to myself for tightening using that tranny bolt. I had to do that, go to the headers. So yeah, it was not fun torquing these. Now I gotta take this out without destroying something. Installation was smooth, easy, bolts went in well. Torqued at about 95, 97 foot-pounds using these Evo ARP flywheel bolts. I'm very happy with them. Now make sure to show the Fast Life channel some love and subscribe.